Bonjour et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to count to 100 in French. You can find the free PDF containing all the numbers from 0 to 100 by clicking the link in the description below. C'est parti! I will start by counting from 0 to 10. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's repeat one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Génial! Now let's move on to counting from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's repeat them one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great! After mastering the first 20 numbers, the rest becomes easier because French numbers follow a pattern. Now, let's learn the tens. I'll start with the main ones. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. To create numbers after the tens, simply add the next number. For example, 22, which is 22, 35, which is 35, 48, which is 48, 59, which is 59. When the number ends with 1, we usually add et un, which means and 1. For example, 21, 31, 41, 61. Let's do a quick quiz. What number is this in French? 54 is 54. What about this one? 33 is 33. Lastly, how would we say this one in French? 61 is 61. Now you know how to count to 69 in French. 70 in French is 70, which literally means 60 plus 10. Counting to 79 basically involves adding numbers from 11 to 19 to 60. Par exemple, 73 is 73, 60 plus 13. 76 is 76, 60 plus 16. 78 is 78, 60 plus 18. 80 in French is 80. This literally means 4 20s. When counting from 80, you just add numbers from 1 to 19 to 80. Only 80 has an S in 20. From 81 onwards, we drop the S. For example, 81 is 81. This is 4 20s plus 1. 83 is 83 4 20s plus 3. 88 is 88, 4 20s plus 8. 90 onwards still follows the same concept. 90 is 90. 91 is 91. This means 4 20s plus 11. 95 is 95, 4 20s plus 15. 99 is 99, 4 20s plus 19. It may seem confusing and complicated at first, but with more practice, you'll get the hang of it. 100 in French is 100. Repeat after me. 100. 100. Let's do another quiz. How do you say this number in French? 84 is 84. What about this one? 87 is 87. Lastly, how would we say this one in French? 97 is 97. Félicitations! Now you know how to count to 100 in French. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner pour plus de leçons de français. À bientôt!